For every new project, the second step, after setting your IP address, is to assign unique addresses to your devices. Each TIS bus device contains two address sections, Subnet ID and Device ID. To start addressing, click on Address, then press on Manage Device Address in the software. Next, go to the TIS product and physically press and hold the Broadcast PRG button for a few seconds. The Broadcast button differs from product to product. For DIN-rail modules, press and hold the PRG button until the LED stays steady on. For panels with screens, press the middle button under the LCD for a few seconds until the screen or LED starts flashing. For other wall panels, press the Any button or the first and second buttons together until LED starts flashing. For sensors, the PRG button is located on the PCB. Press and hold it until the LED starts flashing. For other modules, there is usually a small hole with a PRG button inside. Press and hold until the LED starts flashing. After pressing the PRG button to broadcast the address, click Detect Address in the software. The current address will appear, and you can modify it. Keep the same Subnet ID as one for small projects such as houses. For larger projects with multiple floors, such as hotels, you can assign each room or floor a different subnet. To change the device ID, type a new number from 1 to 254, then press Save. Follow the TIS standard address guidelines to maintain consistency across projects. Write the module's address and name on paper, and place a small label on the device if required. You can also edit addresses by searching all devices and modifying the numbers to resolve address conflicts, especially when reaching the physical PRG button is difficult. However, this method will not help you identify the physical location of each device, so you must manually determine the locations and record their addresses on your project list. Once all devices are addressed, you are ready to start programming each module. Do not forget to save your project by clicking on Project, then select Save Project. Later, you can reopen your project or search for devices again. There are 3 search methods. 1. Fast search. Takes a few seconds and finds about 50 to 70% of devices. 2. Advanced search. You can search a specific address range or all devices from 1 to 254. This scan takes 3 to 5 minutes. 3. Add manually. If you know a device address, simply type it and then click Add All.